how to charge with the Charge My Ride. So now my vehicle is charging and this is electric. So I will unplug. The charging session is finished. As you can see the sound. So I will keep it back, the charger, the cable in its place. So I can show you from the beginning. So now you have parked your vehicle, everything okay, it's green. We will go to the app from the beginning. Okay, from the dashboard you need to press start charging and then scan. If scan not working, this code F and DS you need to type, and then the charger you need to make it outside. Hold it in your hand, start charging, and then it will be blue. Just put it in your vehicle. Because of two mobile I cannot maintain. Now put it and wait. Everything now preparing, initializing. If everything okay, the charging cable okay, your vehicle okay, it will start charging soon. You need to give it a little bit time. It will take a moment. It can start anytime. Looks like it will start now. You will get a notification, and in the screen you can see it started. It's fast charging, means in 2 hours my vehicle will be full charge, and it's full charge already, means 2 hours 0 to 100%, like this CCS2. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.